Hindi naman expected for us to be
wala
perfect.
talaga.
It's not a dancing show. It's not.
Oo.
Alam nila na hindi tayo,
Pero yung ginawa ninyo kanina, pre, wala sa
Oo, sa kanila. Sila,
Pang-professional.
sa kanila,
Kayo.
kung panalo pa sila sa isa, panalo pa rin tayo kasi sa kanila. Ang laki ng
Yeah.
lead.
Laki!
Ang laki ng lead.
Yep.
Ay, sus! Pare ko, wala sa pag-ano, totoo
Sa
lang.
balance,
Ang
wala.
ganda. Kuya, palabas mo para ano.
Oo, sabi nga ni one time siya.
As in talaga nung
Hindi, kasi
ganun na.
kung ikaw nakatingin ka rin, parang mapifeel mo rin yung...
Oo.
Yeah, if honestly,
You wouldn't be
if
watching-
you have a boyfriend, then yeah, why not? But
No,
I'm respectful.
pero yun yung mas maganda, yung parang hindi mo pinatay yung tension.
Napil ko yung istorya ng sayo ninyo. Kahit
Yung
yung
ganyan,
memorado
yung
na pili
maganda.
na yung
Yung
story ng
anticipate nilang lahat.
may babae na. Tapos bigla kang lumapit na. Bakit sino ka?
No,
Parang
no.
ganon.
Close, but no.
Pero, yung sinabi nila palagi, di ba, they were always after your face.
Facial
Kasi,
expressions.
kahit kami, hindi na namin napapansin yung ano na, yung anong
Nagko-communicate
ginagawa
na.
niyo. More on, ako sa face kami nakatingin na.
Yeah?
Oo.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Kasi,
Face and
your
paa.
movements were
Face
so
and paa.
slow, it was all about it.
Hirap mo.
Ganda.
Super. Sabi nga.
Sana we
stood
watch
still.
a performance, diba?
Pwede,
Ay,
kuya,
tomorrow.
Usually, napapanood natin.
Tingin ko tomorrow.
Yeah, pala pa naman performance namin.
Alam mo na parang ganito yung pagkatama ninyo? Hindi yan nato.
ganyan ba?
Super! Oh, unang perform sila yun ng Jessica, di ba?
Nag-shot ka, kasi gumalaw ko, no?
They were good.
Kung na-perfect nila.
No,
kaya
they were-
mali sila eh.
They were good.
Mali
But
step.
yeah, there were times where some of the groups I saw they were late. But I mean, no, they were good. They were hitting it, like I said. They
And
were
sumasayaw sa
Akala ko yung Chacha ang laki ng lead nila.
Oh,
Sabi ko nga, on Chacha was like that. I thought Samba, they won Samba. I really thought they won Samba.
Yeah, oo.
Sila parang...
Sila alam na nila talaga ang gagawin.
Magaling
nila.
sila mamalo sa yung mga kembot-kembot. Yung
Si Mami Liz.
pero sa steps, hindi malinis.
Super kembot. Pasok, oh my God, si Mama Luz.
Hindi
Pasok
ko
pala
alam
na
na.
kembot na. Paano pa kami?
But mas mahirap, mas marami tayong steps.
yeah.
Oo, feeling ko tatlo lang yung steps nila.
Sa kanila,
Three steps lang.
maganda yung dinaan nila sa mga giling-giling.